Good day, folks. The great mayor of the Smokies has once again emerged from the mayor's mansion to grace us with his weekly drive through Cades Cove and the Strip. Is this an attempt to bore those pesky trolls literally to death, perhaps? Will fannyfarkles once again be graced with a back alley corn dog order? These pressing questions answered today on The Mayor Takes His Weekly Trip. Brought to you by today's sponsor, NyQuil. Guaranteed to tank the trolls' views and put you to sleep fast.
Folks, today we're here in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It is 80 degrees in the beginning of March. Our plan today is to just enjoy these beautiful mountains. Dawn, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Here we go again. Same old shit, dog. It's a different day.
And our first stop is the Gatlinburg overlook. Gatlinburg is looking pretty good. I noticed there's a bunch of new cabins being built. But what an amazing place to take photos. Mount LeConte straight off. Dead center there. Little cloud cover up there. On its way to the top. There it goes. This time of year is a great time because there's no leaves on the trees.
Nobody cares!
All the different ridges. And isn't it beautiful? And I noticed that the daffodils are pushing. In fact, there's some over there. And the great pull off. I do recommend. Fresh air, right?
Calgon, take me away!
Indulge yourself in Calgon luxury. Let Calgon soften and pamper you. It's like no other bath experience.
Oh my God!
Calgon, lose yourself in luxury.
This episode is proudly sponsored by Calgon and NyQuil. Because together with Willy, we will absolutely help you get your Z's.
It's good, magical.
Yes.
That's what it's magical.
It's a little bit cooler than what it is in Pigeonforge. It felt good to get out here in the national park today.
Smell that pollen.
Yeah, there's a lot of pollen in the air. You can tell
It's good though.
things are starting to green up,
Yeah.
and you start to see little buds on everything. Also, the daffodils are pushing. And I noticed there's a lot of little wild flowers that are starting to come through. If I see some, we'll take a photo for y'all. Just amazing place. One of my favorite. The water's just so clear. The sun's coming out.
Huh?
Ah, the snake's gotcha! There's dinosaurs! Alien?
I think so.
Oh.
That's the ew factor. I'm flying, Jack. I'm flying.
Oh boy, old Leo's over there going, that wasn't the girl I picked up on the boat earlier. It was sprinkling earlier.
Yeah.
It was. It's pouring down rain, and I did bring my umbrella this time. I made sure to add that to my things to be packed.
You better work.
But things are starting to get more green. Last time we were here, everything was starting to pop in oranges and yellows. It was fall time.
One more thing. Do me a favor, don't go chasing waterfalls.
Was that accidental, or were you trying to quote TLC on purpose?
I don't even understand the reference.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Hey. Championship. Like
I
yeah.
think I have a postcard of this particular bridge here, dating all the way back from like the 50s. Had a good time stopping up there at Jimmy Top's trail. Never gets old. We do it every single time, and we'll continue to do it every single time.
God, he sucks.
Turn him off.
What a wiener.
He really is in love with himself. I thought it was just a summer thing.
And it's really smoky. It smells like a fire.
Yeah, it's like a campfire smoke or something's on fire. I don't know
Yeah.
what's going on.
Yeah.
It looks really cloudy too.
Yeah, it's very smoky, and it smells like fire. I'm wondering if there's any kind of wildfires going on in the area. Yeah, you can't see. It's totally smoky. Check that out. This is Gatlinburg. It looks like there's a little fire pit here. I'm wondering if it's a fire. Looks like someone might have been trying to light a fire in there. It's definitely a no-no here in the park. Smelling smoke on the trail. And we actually found some kind of fire or something going on over here. We're gonna have to try to put this out.
Oh my God!
Yeah, somebody was having a fire. This is a no-no. We're gonna have to. Why we were smelling fire? We're gonna have to put this out. This here is a no-no. Up here makes me very, very angry. It's really bad too.
I don't want to dump my corn out to the full.
But
I don't know who's doing it.
especially that makes me mad. They didn't put their fire out.
The smoke is pretty bad too. He's gonna try and put the fire out with the Mountain Dew.
He had a fire. Oh, I can see fire from here actually. Look at this. Right. Nobody cares! Yeah, right there you can see there's a fire. Smoke. And it is windy. Right over there. Did check the website. There are some controlled burns going on in Swain County. I'm wondering, that's probably roughly that area, so.
I smell campfire smoke. Looks like there's smoke coming off of the distance over there.
So I think they're controlled burns from the national park, yeah.
You can smell the control burn.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It's a good day to be out here. It's a little chilly up here, but it's a good day to be out here.
It is, it is. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Bruh.
A little bit of Gatlinburg. And we were just talking about this the other night about old fannyfarkles there and their ogle dogs, and we both agreed that we think that might be the best corn dog ever, literally, out of everyone I've ever had.
Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me. You don't have that ass. You don't have that.
Now come to Gatlinburg. You gotta stop off and get yourself an ogle dog. Out of this world. Really good. Do you recommend them? So we're gonna see if we can get a look at Anakeesta a little bit, and but no, it looks like they still got quite a bit of work to do. So yeah, it looks like Anakeesta's got a little more to go on those on that lift. I'll be interested to see if they get it up before spring break kicks in. Earthquake, the ride. Definitely recommend the locoburro. Oh my goodness.
Hello everybody, today we're here in Tennessee. Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
And that is the street corn, and that stuff is absolutely amazing. Take a look at that. Oh boy, we got ourselves a spread here. Well, we got a lot to share, don't we? Yes, look at that. And this is a good deal for $30. The sampler, and then you get the nachos and the street corn. I think we'll go ahead and get into that street corn first, right? Yeah. The way
Slop
street
on
corn
my
should
knob,
be.
like corn on the cob.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's good stuff. Probably some of the best street corn you can find here in East Tennessee. That's good, huh? Yeah.
I'm gonna get a YouTube.
Oh, don't be taking off.
So is that queso?
That's queso. White queso. Here's some fresh guacamole. And we still have this big... Take a look at that. Wow, that's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and get into those things while I videotape you eating it. We have not had over easy ales yet. Hopefully one of these mornings we'll get up and and do that. But yeah, Gatlinburg is looking good. Lots of fun. Definitely recommend walking the strip and just taking it all in.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, folks, that was our little day out in the national park. We didn't film everything. We kind of took a little bit of time for ourselves here and there. In about a week's time, Dollywood's going to be open. What do you think of that?
I'm happy for it.
Yeah. Spring break will be here. It'll be like a madness. And then it'll calm down a little, but never really calms down fully all the way until, well, into 2027. I can't believe we're already thinking of 2027. Well, folks, if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. We love you, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.
Attention Yank My Woo fans.
Yank My Woo fans.
We are proud to present the all-new Icons collection.
Icons.
Only for the most refined collector of Willy items.
Willy items.
If you would like to support my channel, at least I'm giving you a high-quality t-shirt, not a postcard from my travels that I may not ever send.
Never send.
They're perfect for running errands, avoiding the paparazzi, conducting fine food reviews, hosting your own meet and greets, even getting a little facial work done.
Facial work.
Reviews are calling it. I hope to run into him while wearing this. We have multiple new designs to choose from, featuring iconic moments from our episodes with original artwork.
I'm impressed with the beef.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm impressed with the beef.
You want to talk to underprivileged people? Me.
It's time for everyone's most overly confident history professor. Cultivated, refined, and allegedly proficient, he's ready to educate you. It's history lessons with Willy.
There's a little Slimer up there. They even have a light pole in here. I don't know where that came from, but
It's howdy doody time.
Say, kids, what time is it?
Call now before Willy sues my behind. Operators are standing by. Link below.
Yank My Woo merchandise should be worn responsibly. We are not held liable for unwanted staring from strangers, sudden fame, paparazzi encounters, or people asking if you know Willy personally. Side effects include looking amazing and supporting accountability comedy. Do not taunt Willy while wearing merchandise. Keep away from cruise buffets. If shirt causes excessive compliments, that's normal.
Icons.
Yeah. Hey. Championship.